Hey guys, today we going to unboxing this Pocophone F1 by Xiaomi. It came with 6 GB of RAM and 128 of storage, expandables, and it came with the latest Snapdragon's 845 processors. So let's check it out. For the first time, unboxing it. See here, it's a global versions that we have here. It's a Pocophone F1, dual SIM card, dual standby, 845 as mentioned, liquid cooling systems, something new. AI dual cams and with 4000 uh, battery capacities. So let's unbox this one. The box seems simple. Well, this goes along with the price. So we get the phone here. We take out the phone. The phone. Oh, we get the chargers, but I took out the chargers. And there's the chargers. This pin. We also have the cover and some booklets. That's it. So it's very simple, very straightforward. Well, for the price, for like around 300 USDs, is what you can get. There's no fancy stuff. The phone apparently not, yeah, didn't provide the earpiece, so you gotta buy your own earpiece. The good thing is actually it has the 3.5 millimeters connector. It's a Type C, Type C chargers with dual speaker here. Here's the dual camera. This one is for the fingerprints. Okay. So, let's take this one off before we turn it on. Let's put it here. Guess we need it in the future. Right. Alright. Take off the camera cover. There you go. I will leave this one on for a while. Here's the SIM card. Right. Let's open again. Okay. Heart. Yep, this the one. So you put your SIM card here. And put it back in. Let's turn it on for the first time. There you go. It said the Pocophones came out with the MIUI 9, Lightning fast. We use choose your language using the United States. Region is going to be, would they have Brunei? That's good. connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, it's connected. This term and conditions. Okay. Well, we haven't put a SIM card here, so yeah, asking for SIM card. Okay, we're going to set up as a new, because I haven't had any Android phone before. So we try to skip this one first. Just agree. No tags that we can later. Me cloud need permission to sync data, blah 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 blah. We're not going to sync it for now. I think we can do it later on. So we're not gonna sync anything. Or we just sync it. We just skip it for a while. Skip. We're going to do it later. Fingerprints. Alright. Add fingerprints. We will put pattern first. Got it. Okay, just a simple one. Let's confirm it. Add a fingerprints. Reading mine. Okay, it's not that difficult to set it. Additional settings, location, user experience program. Okay, we just put it on default first. Choose themes or default limitless. Okay, for now we use Poco. Themes apply, setup complete. Be ready to rock. Okay, let's see. This Pocophone is also came with right, yeah, with a slave. Quite good. So you can put a slave at the back. Yes, like this. Allow access to internet storage to get info about. Okay, just allow. Just put it okay. There you go. That's the Pocophone. Okay, this Pocophone is actually claimed to be the fastest in the market for these mid-range phones. We have to try it. It's good. It came up with two display options. This one with the control button, and if you want to delete that control button, I think it's a home screen. Launcher? No, it's not launcher. I think this thing. Yeah. full screen display, so you can choose whether you want to have a buttons or full screen display. Not now. So if we choose full screen display, that means all the screen is going to be touchscreen. And if you want to, here you go to break screen, just go to that, open recent, go back, trigger app action. So if you want to, okay, things have to be like that. Yes. Let's try to set up the. It also came with the face recognition. Right. Well, we have to try how these phones work. We're going to review it probably after a couple of days or a couple of weeks or a couple of months that we using this phone. So, right, guys, I think it's for now it's quite a good phone for the price with latest technologies in terms of processor. It claimed to be the fastest in the market for this mid-range phone. We'll see how it goes. So thank you for watching. If you like to buy these phones, all the details probably you can check it, and the you can check it below. Thank you.